You've probably heard the term quantum leap before, but not many people have had the opportunity to experience a quantum shift, taking you from A to Z just like that. Hi, I'm Alicia Couri and I'm the host of Audacious Confidence, a web series on Maniac TV. I was thrilled to have as one of my guests the master of quantum physics, Deberah Bringelson. She was able to articulate and break down step by step for my audience how anyone can make a quantum shift in their lives, whether it's in their business, their finances, or in their personal life. I encourage you to get with Deberah Bringelson, listen to her wisdom and her knowledge, and apply what she's teaching you so that you can have that opportunity that not many have access to make a quantum shift in your life.